There's nothing quite like a warm cup of hot chocolate on a chilly day. In this video, we'll show you how to make hot chocolate from scratch, using just a few simple ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Start by pouring 2 cups of milk into a saucepan. Heat the milk over medium heat until it starts to steam, but be careful not to let it boil. While the milk is heating up, whisk together 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a separate bowl. Once the milk is steaming, gradually whisk in the cocoa powder and sugar mixture until it's fully combined. Keep whisking the mixture over the heat until it's hot and smooth. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors of the hot chocolate. Pour the hot chocolate into a mug and enjoy. For an extra special touch, top your hot chocolate with whipped cream and marshmallows. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.